Hey y'all, back again, Big Mama's Kitchen. I know it's been a while, but I've been air frying the same old thing over and over again. Today I'm actually going to air fry some chicken thighs again. What a surprise. But this time I'm actually not going to bread them, so I'm not going to batter them. I'm just going to go ahead and air fry them without any additional batter. So what I have here is just seasoning with some mustard, some slap your mama, a little garlic powder, pepper, and lemon pepper. So I'm gonna get these all put up and get them to fry them, and then we'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back. I have the thighs in the air fryer. I did spray them with a little bit of olive oil spray so that skin can still get a little crispy even without a batter. I'm going to cook them for on 400 degrees for about 20 minutes or so. 22, let's make it right. And then we'll come back and see how everything turns out. Be right back. Okay guys, it's been a little over 10 minutes and ooh, look at that skin, nice and crispy. You hear that sizzle, y'all? Alright, let's flip it over. Be right back. Ooh, it smells good too. Okay everybody, we're back and I heard the bell. As you can see, I did flip them. Ooh. Now we're gonna do a taste test. Be right back. Okay guys, here's the final product. As you can see, that meat is still nice and juicy, but it's still a little hot. So I'm gonna give it a couple minutes to cool down, and then we'll come back and I'll cut it open for y'all. Alright guys, so we're gonna have Nunu do the taste test. She's cutting the meat open right now, but as you can see over here, nice and juicy. Alright, let's get up on it. Alright. Okay. It's good. The flavor is outstanding. Alright. Well, there you have it, guys. I guess it's not baked, but it's still air fried, but with no batter. Is the skin crispy, Nunu? All right. All right. Thanks for joining us. Right. See you next time.